Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and my name's Tiffany. So if you guys have been watching my video for a while now, you guys will know that I'm in a completely different setting. I'm currently in my bathroom right now because I'm going to share with you guys, ta-da, how I usually clean my makeup brushes. These little dirty stuff right here. Makeup brushes, beauty blenders, whatever you call it. Everything that you use to apply your face, apply your makeup, I'm going to show you how to clean it today. For the longest time, I've been trying to find a way to clean my makeup brushes efficiently and affordably because there's so many makeup brushes cleaning things out there that either doesn't work or very expensive. So I'm going to share with you guys a way that I usually do using all these products that you already have in your house, so you don't even have to go out there and buy any new products or anything else. I did not invent this technique myself. I've been researching on YouTube, on Pinterest, on anything that you possibly can think of on how to clean your makeup brushes. I did a lot of trial and error and actually find a way that works best for me. But before we get started though, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, Lazy Sundays, definitely hit that subscription button down below so you don't miss any of my future videos. I do a lot of makeup tutorials, makeup tips, fashion stuff, anything that you can think of. I do a lot of random things on the side too. So if you guys are interested in this kind of channel, definitely hit that subscription button. So what you need are these dirty makeup brushes and a beauty blender. Look at that, it's disgusting. And what you also need is a dish soap. What I'm using is Mrs. Mayer's Clean Day dish soap. First, I love this brand, Mrs. Mayer. It's just, to me, it's more organic, more clean, and more natural to just even for like dishwashing and stuff like that. Second, for makeup brushes, I feel like you want to use some ingredients that's more natural because at the end of the day, you're applying these brushes back to your skin. You don't want that many chemicals getting in contact with your skin after you clean your makeup brushes. And what you also need is extra virgin olive oil. What I have is, I have no clue what brand this is because we just put this in this little glass bottle for cooking, and sometimes I just, bring this to the bathroom to clean my makeup brushes. And this this is a plate that you can use any other plate, but I like to use this kind of plate because you can just throw around it when you're applying, cleaning out your makeup brushes. But this is basically like a margarita plate that you put like salt over here and then like what's this called, lime in the middle, so then if you have a margarita party you can use this. But I use this plate for makeup brush cleaning. And also you need a roll of paper towel. You don't need exactly a roll, but just some paper towel for you to clean stuff or dry your brushes. So yeah, but you don't need to use the whole roll, that's a lot. Very wasteful if you do that. Don't do that. What I usually do is I start with the dish soap. I put it kind of like outside this plate, just a 2/3 of it. Depends on how many brushes that you're cleaning and how dirty your makeup brushes are. So on top of that, I'll put like 3 drops, basically like 1/3 of olive oil. Basically what dish soap does is to actually clean your makeup brushes. It takes off all the dirt, all the makeup off your brushes and also off your sponge. But a little bit of olive oil will also help to re-nourish your brushes, to protect your brushes, so your brushes will last longer. But for makeup sponges, I usually only use dish soap because they're sponges, they don't need any re-nourishment. I always find that cleaning makeup brushes are very soothing, so this is definitely my favorite pastime activity. I've been using this for foundation, and I also have a lot of cat hair on this. What the freak? Use a little bit like lukewarm water, apply some of the ingredients I just used. You just start twirling like this on your palm, so then you'll see all this dirty stuff coming off. It's very satisfying. It's like really clean. Look how clean that is. Another big one coming up. how dirty this is. This is so disgusting. You just kind of twirl it around on your palm and do this. Look at that. Look at that. So clean. For smaller brushes, I usually try to save time. I don't want to go through all of them individually, so I usually go through all of them at once. So what I do is I just like dip it into the ingredient and just start swirling. So now I'm going to share with you guys how I usually clean these disgusting stuff called beauty blenders, because honestly they're very helpful, but also they can be so disgusting because there's so many germs on this that you don't even know. Look at it. I put it in the middle because there's no olive oil in there, so you make sure there's no olive oil. You have to be kind of like gentle to your beauty blenders, because one time when I was too rough on it, it kind of breaks into half when I'm cleaning it, so you just have to be really gentle. This is like a cushion pad. I'm just gonna clean it in the same technique that I clean my makeup sponges. Use the Mayor's dish soap, kind of just massage it like this. Try to take all this dirt out. And you're just like good as new. Almost. I just cannot get this out, but other than that, I think it is pretty clean. And now all my brushes are officially clean. I'm going to share with you guys how I usually dry them. Using paper towel, use a towel and kind of just roll up like this. Kind of just make it lean in against the wall with a towel rolled up so there's some height to it, but also a paper towel underneath, so then whenever any dirt that's still coming through will land it on this paper towel. And for these nicely clean sponges, I kind of just place it over here like that. Make it dry. And that's it. So that's it, guys. This is the way I usually clean my makeup brushes. Look at them. They're so clean. Ta-da! I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you guys do, please do give me a thumbs up and definitely subscribe down below to LAZZZY Sundaze. If you guys want to know where I usually get my makeup brushes, I will link these down as well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!